It's recording, guys. Do you have anything to say? You're on TV, honeys. Say hello, world. This is my new brother. His name is Zeke. My name is Lily. I'm 1. Zeke is 3 months old. And I just got him the day before yesterday. I got him on Tuesday. And I love him so much. I love to bite his face, and he loves to bite my face. And we both need baths because we've been rolling around outside in the dirt. Zeke, that's yucky. Zeke's gonna be huge because his paws are huge. And he's only 3 months old and he's a big boy. We got him at the Humane Society. He was all sad. Weren't you, Zeke? He has an extra toe, too. It's not really connected by much. It's only connected by skin. It's kind of weird. But we still love you, don't we, Zeke? Yes, we do. Lily. Lily. Lily, come here and play. Until next time, say bye-bye.